Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best foot files that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Colossal Foot Rasp and Callus Remover. The Colossal Foot Rasp and Callus Remover is a surgical-grade stainless steel file that provides a perfect solution for dry, calloused, and cracked heels, resulting in soft and fancy feet with little effort. With its large yet lightweight design, it allows for easy use and quick smoothness. This foot file can be used on both wet and dry feet and delivers equally good results on both surfaces, making it a versatile tool for any user. To achieve the best results, use it gently and follow the manufacturer's instructions. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Electric Foot Callus Remover Kit. The Electric Foot Callus Remover Kit by Prytech is a fast, rechargeable, and efficient foot pedicure tool that can be used for up to 45 minutes with just 2 to 3 hours of charging. With a waterproof and dust-free design, this electronic foot scrubber can adapt to all kinds of humid environments, helping to relieve foot pain and protect your foot health. It is also powerful and safe with 2 speed replacements and 3 types of rollers for varying degrees of roughness, making it the perfect gift choice for anyone looking to save time and expense going to a foot spa while achieving exquisite heels and beautiful feet. At number 3, we have the Fuse-Store Foot Files Callus Remover. The Fuse-Store Foot Files Callus Remover is a set of 2 PCs foot files and a dual-sided foot rasp that are perfect for removing dry, dead, hard, and cracked skin on your feet. Made of high-grade stainless steel and plastic, these foot care tools are waterproof, washable, and reusable. The lightweight design allows for easy handling and provides quick and amazing smoothness to your feet. With these professional pedicure tools, you can easily repair your heels and reduce the buildup of hard skin. The Fuse-Store Foot Files Callus Remover is the best foot care tool to have at home, and it also makes a great gift for someone. At number 2, we have the Dr. Scholl's Electronic Foot File. The Dr. Scholl's Foot File is designed to help you achieve smooth, soft feet effortlessly. With its rotating roller head, you can easily glide it over your skin, effectively removing tough calluses and rough patches. This device is compact, making it perfect for travel, so you can maintain your foot care routine wherever you go. Additionally, it comes with 4 AAA batteries included, allowing you to start using it right away without any hassle. Enjoy the convenience of quick, effective foot care that fits seamlessly into your life. And finally, at number 1, we have the Dr. Scholl's Nano Glass Foot File. Clean and pamper your feet with Dr. Scholl's Hard Skin Remover Nano Glass Foot File. The file exfoliates and smooths away hard, rough, and calloused skin with minimal effort. Its soft touch handle ensures a comfortable grip, and its waterproof and rust-proof design allows for easy cleaning. The file comes with a hang-hole feature for convenient storage. This foot file is both safe and effective, making it a must-have in your foot care routine. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.